Now that money is given by RBI to ICICI Bank at an interest rate. That interest rate is called repo rate. What is repo? It's a very confusing term. So it is repurchase option. Now don't get into that. Just keep that in mind that this is a lending rate by RBI to the bank. So there are two things a bank has to follow. One is CRR is cash reserve ratio. Currently I think it is, समझो इसके पास 110 करोड़ आ गया ना, तो what RBI says that बॉस तुम्हारा कुछ ठिकाना नहीं है, तुम कौन है क्या है. ये जो टोटल मनी है, what they call it actually NDTL. So it is very confusing terms. It is called net demand time liability. It is nothing but total deposit कितना है, ठीक है ना. So total deposit का 3% तुम मेरे पास तुम्हारा security रखो as a security deposit. So what ICICI Bank will do that, take out, supposing you, all of us, suddenly tomorrow we go to ICICI Bank saying that हम सबको 1 करोड़ चाहिए अभी. क्यों? हम सबको घर लेने गए. औरंगाबाद झालं ना सर. They suddenly decided some 25 व्यापारी, they said we want to buy Mercedes on one day only. तो ICICI Bank अरे बॉस ये इतना पैसा मेरे पास नहीं है, तुम ऐसा एक दिन में आओ ना. बोला नहीं हमको आज ही चाहिए. So for such situations, what RBI says कि boss at any point of time you should have 18% of your total deposit as available in your bank. Statutory liquidity ratio. It could be in form of cash or deposits or even some liquid funds. So you cannot say no, no. So there is a term called marginal standing facility. So this is the actual banking management. So when you say I am into bank, are you doing this or are you doing auto loan? This is also important. You understand? When you say that I want to be a banking professional, these are different functions. That like that lady, you know, she got into auto loan, but she is capable of handling this actually. That is how Raghuram Rajan finds his, that is how he gets kick. ये सब कर रहा है वो. ये सीख के वो समझ के बॉस यही है सबसे इंटेलिजेंट काम बैंकिंग में. ऑटो लोन लेना नहीं है. सो रघुराम राजन became intellectual enough, qualified enough to be RBI governor because he controls the economy of a country. He can decide how you live. So for him that is self-actualization. Go back to the first slide. मेरे को चिंदी चोरी नहीं करने का है. ऑटो लोन, प्रोडक्ट लोन, चेयरमैन ऑफ द बैंक. नो, आई वांट टू बी द चेयरमैन ऑफ द चेयरमैन. सबका बाप मैं हूँ. So that is how he has graduated himself by qualification and by intellect. And he can talk, he teaches that. So this is the Bible of banking. आप ये अगर few times, yes.